How's it going? I'm Tom Henry with Mainline Overland. Today we're going to do a bit of an update on some Overland Solar and some Dometic products that we've talked about in previous YouTube videos. So we have some updates to talk about with the Overland Solar. Overland Solar is now running a 130 watt bug out panel. So in the same sort of chassis, same 6-pound fold-up variety, they now have another 10 watts of Overland Solar charging. So we have that plugged into a PLB40, which is our lithium iron phosphate battery. 40 amp hours, can charge and discharge simultaneously. So we have that going with the panel inputting, as we can see in the little display here. And we have it outputting to a CFX75 dual zone fridge. So with this combination, it allows you to be off grid. Basically it's quiet, it's noiseless, it's quiet. You have the panel working to add up to 6 amp hours of charge from this panel, and then discharging to this fridge, which is going to be somewhere in the range of 1 to 2 amp hours of discharge, depending on how full the fridge is. So in terms of connector points, these Overland Solar panels used to come with a red Anderson plug. As we started working with these PLB40s, we created an adapter, which you could see in the previous YouTube video. Well, nowadays, Overland Solar has moved to the black Anderson housing. These Anderson housings have a little bit different tang on them than the red, so there is some specificity between what color or Anderson plug you have and whether it will be compatible. So a gray or a black Anderson housing can plug directly into the PLB40 like this. So this 20-foot black Anderson housing comes standard with the Overland Solar 130 watt panel. So if you get that panel, you can plug that directly into the PLB40, which is great. Overland Solar also has a product that came on the market last fall, but we've been starting to sell them more and more. And it has become sort of our choice in terms of a portable charge controller setup. So this is the 10 amp MPPT controller by Overland Solar. They do a really good job. It's a waterproof MPPT. This is the same chassis and the same charge controller that's being used in military context. So they took a lot of, they made a lot of work on getting this to be rigorous enough to work in the field. This uses the black Anderson plug that comes standard in this Overland Solar panel, and it uses an output, just to make sure you can get your inputs and outputs correct. You've got the 30 amp mini Anderson output that goes out to a set of alligator clips. And these clips can go onto your auxiliary battery, your main starter battery, whatever you need to keep topped off while you're discharging, say, a fridge, or using something like a Dometic hardwire kit to set these up for a charge. So great new products. We've got the PLB40, which we've been using for a while. It's tried and true. We have a newly supercharged Overland Solar panel that is now coming with this standard plug that goes directly in the PLB. And we have the new Dometic CFX3 line, which is an improved fridge chassis with a lot more strength, has a lot more capacity per volume of space over the old CFXs, and it has a great new display and some new features as well, which you can see in other YouTube videos that we've done on the CFX3 line. So check out the Overland Solar collection on our website, mainlineoverland.com, to find the Overland Solar 130, which can come in a package with the MPP 10 amp charge controller. You can find that online. You can also find our CFX3 collection here on mainlineoverland.com and our Dometic collection along with the PLB40. So check out our website, mainlineoverland.com. Give us a call or email to get great deals on all these items. We are stocking these heavily. We love them for summer. They're a great combination to get you off the grid. And check us out.